Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to go to work. Running late. Gotta hurry up. We gotta take this is dose 48, and not thinking. Okay. So, everybody, this is day 24. Dose 48. Almost done with this phase. So let's see, what is it? 15:30. So yeah, about 4 more days, 5 more days or something. I don't know. So yeah, day 30 is will be done. So 6 more days. All right. So I'm gonna take my HCG. Yeah, it's like I had a big old steak for dinner, so I'm curious to see what I'm going to weigh in the morning, because that was, but that's all protein, so not too worried about it. But yeah, that big steak, it was nice. So big, it was nice T-bone. So we'll see what I weigh in the morning. It was 106.8 this morning, so we'll see what I weigh tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna go to work. All right, dose 48 in the books. I will see you all in the morning.